हे फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। हम CUET 2025 के इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के क्वेश्चंस देख रहे हैं। इससे पहले वीडियो में मैंने थोड़ा थ्योरी और रूल्स बताए थे प्रोनाउन के लिए। आज उन्हीं रूल्स को यूज़ करके ये एक्सरसाइज करते हैं। अगर आप देखेंगे कि आपने अगर रूल्स ठीक से समझ लिए हैं तो CUET में जितने भी नाउन, प्रोनाउन, एडवर्ब इनसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे वो सब रूल्स के ही बेसिस पे होते हैं मेनली। लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 says, I purchased some stationery from the market and distributed them among the boys. Okay, first of all, stationery is uncountable and singular, hence it is appropriate over here. So instead of them it will come. Okay, second question, my friends and I went to Rajasthan in winter vacation and I really enjoyed themselves. Okay, over here instead of themselves ourselves will come. Okay, ourselves is reflexive pronoun, it relates to my friends and I. Okay, question number 3 is, she always boasts of her daughter which has topped in recently held competitive exams. Okay, so which is for non-living things. Over here instead of which, who will come? Who? She always boasts of her daughter who have topped in recently held competitive exams. Okay, question number 4, the scientists have come to the conclusion that most of the pollution in the city are due to burning of dry fodder hay. Okay, so over here pollution is uncountable, so instead of R is will come. Understood? Okay, question number 5, all the property he had were divided equally among his son and daughters. Okay, so all is singular and uncountable, so instead of were, was is the right option. Okay, question number 6 is, you can't choose team because some of the players have hurt themselves. Okay, so in 6th question, selves, themselves. Okay, themselves is used when the subject is unspecified. Question number 7 is, I told him that he was more intelligent than me but he didn't agree to my view. Okay, so over here I told him that he was more intelligent than me, so instead of me I will come. Okay, fine. Next question, as the food was ready, the mother asked her daughter to serve them to her father and brother. Okay, so food is singular and uncountable, so instead of them we will use, as the food was ready the mother asked her daughter to serve it. Instead of them it will come. Okay, question number 9, as one of my friends have agreed to teach poor children, I am thankful to one. Okay, so him refers to one of friends while one is unspecified, so over here I am thankful to him. Okay, question number 10 is, each of the soldiers who entered the enemy territory were in high spirits. So over here each is singular, so instead of were, was will come. Okay. Question number 11 is neither of the teams have qualified for the Olympics because both were defeated in initial rounds. Okay, so neither is singular. So instead of have, has will come. Okay. Question number 12 is they had completed the construction of their house while my was yet to be completed. Okay, over here instead of my, mine will come. Okay, question number 13 is I am using the same phone which you had presented me on my birthday. Okay, so over here instead of which, that is the right form. Question number 14, everyone is present in the rally were assured that their grievances would be readdressed. Okay, so over here instead of were, was is correct as everyone is singular. Instead of were we'll use was. Question number 15, I and Alok were very happy because our team had reached the finals. So in this Alok and I is the right way of saying. Alok and I were very happy. Okay. Question number 16 is Sonali and myself have planned that in this summer vacation we will go to Simla. Okay. So Sonali and myself, no, Sonali and I. Okay. Question number 17. They couldn't find out who of two gifted her a set of books. So instead of who in this, we will use which is a choice actually over here. They couldn't find out which of two gifted her a set of books. Okay, question number 18. The smoke which had enveloped the city was the result of burning of fodder. Okay, so that is used in restrictive clauses. So over here instead of which, we'll use that. The smoke that had enveloped the city. Okay, question number 19. One should not lose one's heart if he does not get what was desired. Okay, so over here one should not lose one's heart if, so instead of he, one will come. One is anybody unspecified. We are not specifying anyone over here in this sentence. Okay, question number 20. Pranav said that process of team selection would be over very soon when personally I doubted. Okay, so over here which is related to whole sentence. So when said, Pranav said that process of team selection would be over very soon when. So instead of when we'll use which. Okay, question number 21. Anyone which was found processing gold biscuits was arrested by the police. Okay, so over here anyone, so what will come? That. Question number 22. If we keep arguing ourselves, we will not reach any conclusion. So instead of ourselves, ourselves will come. Okay. Question number 23. Most of the information provided by officers were not enough to make a final report. So in this, information is uncountable. So instead of were, was is the right form. Okay, question number 24. We couldn't purchase shirt and trousers because no one of shops were open. Okay, so in this no one, instead of no one we'll use none. None of the shops were open. Okay, so stay tuned for more questions.